Amaya from the Mopis team. So I'm gonna show you the the MUA project that we've been working on. Yeah, this one. So the admins now have a new option to set the default completion conditions for the activities. So now you go to site administration to the courses. We have a new settings group here, and the new one is the default activity completion. We also changed the completion conditions form to improve them and make them easier to understand for the teachers. So now we implemented a progressive disclosure and we changed some labels thanks to Julia from the DX team for this. And now the activity completion form is much easier. So they can change this and they can add some default for the site, for the whole site, for all the courses in the site. So for example, if I choose, I say that the assignment by default gonna have the requirement to build activity makes submission receive a passing grade, for example, and say changes. Then if I go to a course, this one, for example, if I create a new assignment, and go to the activity completion, I'm gonna see that by default, those are gonna be checked. The teacher can change them, of course, but those are the defaults. We are keeping the default for the course as well, so the teachers can change those as before. So by default, we are using the site defaults, but they can change them whatever they want. So now if I go to the course and create a new assignment, I'm gonna use the course instead of the site default. So now are the course default. And as you have seen, we changed the completion conditions for totally to make it then easier for the teachers to understand because there are too many settings there. So we implemented the progress disclosure for them to make them easier to understand and the relation between them and the groups. So if you disable something, some lots of things are hidden to not to be too overwhelming for the teacher. And that's it for this.